Okay, the last thing we need to do is add the navigation to our site. So let's go over to More over here, and then let's go to Edit Site Layout. Now, you see at the top here, you have horizontal navigation or sidebar. So let's use horizontal navigation. Okay, now we're going to go to More, then we're going to go to Manage Site, then Site Layout. Okay, now down here we have the horizontal navigation we just set. So we're going to edit this, and then we're going to select Pages to Show. Okay, so we're going to add page. Okay, we're going to put Home. Click OK. And then after that we'll put Announcements. Find Us. Our staff members. And Posy menu. Okay, now you can change the order of these at any time with these arrows here. These indents and outdents move the particular one underneath here. So let's just move this one up. Okay, so say that's how we want it. We'll click OK. So let's save now. And our navigation is set. So let's go back here. And here we are, Home, Posy menu, Announcements, Find Us, our staff members. So let's go and view this. And, well, it's in a mobile anyway. So there's what it looks like. So Home, Posy menu. Okay, it just did that because we're in editor mode right now, but it would, once we publish it, it'll show correctly. Now the sidebar navigation you can't really use on a mobile site because it would take up space on the side. A mobile site is very narrow in the first place, so you don't want to use the sidebar navigation. Let's go back to Manage Site. Okay, now let's go back down to Site Layout and into our horizontal navigation. Now, we can also include a link to the site map and recent site activity if you want. Now, down here you'll see that the style can be boxes, tabs, or links. So you can set those as you like as well. I'm going to set it to tabs, click OK, and save. Okay, let's preview our site here. Okay, so here it is. Okay, these aren't actually working in the preview. Okay, so at this point our site is finished. Let's just make sure that's saved there. Okay, so at this point our site is finished. Now what I'm going to do is open it in a mobile viewer and have a look at it. So you just have to take your web address and copy the link location. Now I'm going to open it in a mobile viewer just to see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to put my URL in this here. Okay, so here it is here. Now you notice that the logo wasn't really centered properly, and the reason for that is because we chose, if we go back to Manage Site, in the main settings here, under Automatically Adjust Site to Mobile Phones, turn that back off because we're already on a mobile theme. Let's save this. Now let's bring it up again in our emulator. Okay, and as you can see, it has now centered everything for us. So everything looks correct. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to set up a mobile site for your business.